Have you ever wanted to remove just your page numbers from a section of a transcript or your line numbers? Well, let me show you how to do that. We're going to open up our editor and select a file. And once we are in the file, we are going to go up to page 1. Now, let's assume for a moment that I want to remove this page number and my line numbers from just my title page. So what we do to do that is you have an icon that creates a section break. Now, within any file, if you want to create a section break where just in that section you can remove certain items or change certain items, what you want to do is go down to the next page. So we're going to go down to page 2 and we're going to place our cursor here. And at this point, if you look down here, it says I'm in section 1. So this entire transcript right now is all section 1 until I tell it where I want to create a section break. So I just want to section off page 1. So I'm putting my cursor on page 2 and I'm going to click Insert Section Break. Now, I'm on page 1 now and it says section 1. But if I come down and place my cursor on page 2, I'm now in section 2. So that means anything that I change in section 1, it will only affect that section. So I'm going to go back up to page 1 and I'm going to do Control E, which is a shortcut to taking you to where you can clear your header, clear your footer, suppress the line numbers or timestamps, or even suppress your border. So in this instance, you'll notice my page number right here is in the header area. So I'm going to say clear the header and suppress my line numbers. At that point, I'm going to click OK. Now, if I do Alt-P, that will let me take a look at my print preview. And you'll see that on page 1, I no longer have a page number or line numbers. However, if I go down to page 2, there's my page number and there's my line numbers. And that will be the same throughout section 2 of my transcript. So remember, if you want to remove page and line numbers or even change something in your header area, all you have to do is create a section break. And in that section you can remove or change any information without it affecting the rest of your transcript.